Kitchen gadgets can transform your cooking experience, making tasks easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From brewing barista-level espresso to perfectly grilling a steak or organizing your pantry, this curated list of top kitchen tools has you covered. Let's dive into the best picks. Number 1, Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. If you're looking for a compact espresso machine that delivers cafe-quality coffee, the Breville Bambino Plus is a standout choice. With its sleek brushed stainless steel design and a small footprint, this machine fits perfectly on any countertop. Its innovative thermojet heating system ensures a speedy 3-second heat up, while the 4 keys formula guarantees rich, balanced espresso every time. The automatic microfoam milk texturing is a game changer, allowing you to create velvety lattes or cappuccinos effortlessly. Easy-to-use controls make it beginner-friendly, and features like dose control grinding and digital temperature control elevate your coffee-making experience. Pros: compact size and modern design. Professional-grade espresso quality. Rapid heat-up and intuitive controls. Cons: no built-in grinder. The learning curve for latte art. Overall, the Bambino Plus is an excellent investment for serious coffee enthusiasts who value performance and convenience. Number 2, Thermapen 1 Review. The Thermapen 1 is the gold standard in instant read thermometers, trusted by top chefs and home cooks alike. Its blazing fast 1-second read time and pinpoint accuracy make it an essential tool for perfect cooking results. Built for durability, it features a waterproof IP67 rating and comes with a 5-year warranty. The intuitive design includes a 360-degree rotating display, motion sensing technology, and an intelligent backlight, ensuring ease of use in any environment. With certifications like NSF and CE, it's both reliable and food safe. Pros: unmatched speed and accuracy. Durable, waterproof, and easy to maintain. Motion activated with auto-rotating display. Trusted by professionals worldwide. Cons: higher price compared to competitors. Hand wash only. Whether you're a barbecue enthusiast or a home cook, the Thermapen 1 delivers restaurant-quality precision, making it worth the investment. Number 3, OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. The OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder is a sleek and reliable choice for coffee lovers looking to enhance their brewing experience. Its stainless steel conical burrs deliver uniform grounds, ensuring optimal flavor for every cup of coffee. With 15 grind size settings and micro settings, from fine for espresso to coarse for French press, it caters to various brewing methods easily. The UV blocking hopper keeps beans fresh, while the static fighting container minimizes mess. The one-touch start remembers your last grind setting, making the operation smooth and hassle-free. The 3/4 pounds capacity and 100-watt motor ensure efficiency without overheating beans. Pros: consistent grind sizes for all brewing methods. Durable stainless steel construction and UV blocking hopper. One-touch timer remembers settings for convenience. Static reducing container reduces mess. Cons: slightly heavier at 6.58 pounds. It may lack advanced features for professional baristas. Overall, the OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder offers great value and performance for both novice and experienced coffee enthusiasts. Number 4, Instant Pot Pro 8QT Review. The Instant Pot Pro 8QT is a game changer for home cooks, offering 10-in-1 functionality that replaces multiple kitchen appliances. Whether you're pressure cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, or baking a cake, this versatile device delivers outstanding results. Its 8-quart capacity is perfect for large families or meal prep enthusiasts. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a premium stainless steel inner pot with stay-cool handles, an intuitive LCD display, and 28 smart cooking programs. The upgraded steam release system ensures quieter, splash-free operation. Plus, the Instant Brands Connect app provides access to 800+ recipes, simplifying meal planning. Pros: versatile 10-in-1 functionality. Durable build with a sleek matte finish. Faster cooking and preheating. Safe and easy to use. Cons. Bulky for smaller kitchens. The slight learning curve for beginners. The Instant Pot Pro is a must-have for anyone seeking efficiency and versatility in the kitchen. Number 5. Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-free food storage containers. Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers are a must-have for keeping your pantry neat and your food fresh. Crafted with crystal clear, BPA-free plastic, these containers are not only durable but also stain and odor resistant, ensuring they stay like new over time. The airtight, leak-proof seals and snap-tight lids keep moisture and humidity out, making them perfect for dry goods like pasta, cereal, and baking ingredients. Their stackable design saves space, while their versatility shines through with freezer, microwave, and dishwasher-safe features. Whether you're meal prepping or organizing pet food, this set of 4 assorted containers meets a variety of needs. Pros. Airtight and leak-resistant seals. Durable and stain-resistant material. Stackable for efficient storage. Cons. Limited set size might not suit larger households. Alignment issues with lids are reported occasionally. With rave reviews and thoughtful design, these containers are a pantry staple worth the investment. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.